Hey there, welcome to Michael on the Go, and I'm your host, Michael Giannotti. Today I am with Cary Rheder from CoreView, and I'm pretty excited because Cary, as you know, a lot of customers, as they're deploying Microsoft Teams and some of our other technologies, one of the issues is around training and providing an experience from within the app.
Right, and at CoreView,
Right.
we're actually focused on that. We actually, our mindset is just-in-time training, so you can actually drive training and consumption for your end users inside the Microsoft apps. We actually place our training light up 365 inside the different workloads.
So they don't have to go anywhere else?
They can go stay inside the workloads and actually drive consumption at the end user level, and also learning and adoption as well. But we also tie in the ability to do Azure co-sell at the same time. So we have the ability to actually...
So yeah, what does that mean? I mean, if I'm a customer,
right,
what do I know about that? What do I care about that? What is it?
Well, the idea is if you're going to create and have log files and be able to manage and report on Office 365 and even virtualize it through the CoreView modules,
right,
you can actually pull back log files, and we actually retain those log files for the customer on our Azure for up to a year. But a lot of
wait a minute, not 90 days?
Not 90 days. Microsoft terms 90 days, but we actually store it up for a year because we act as a proxy to the Office 365 tenant.
Gotcha.
And then we can actually parse those tenants out to virtualize them and have basically, from a global admin, we actually do a directed admin or a capability.
Okay.
So that engages chargeback capabilities if for institutions like healthcare or public sector or financial or SLG want to have chargeback for each agency or entity, they can do that, even on a hospital basis for healthcare.
Oh, very cool, especially when you have like a parent company with a chain.
Right. I mean, a couple people we met at DTA, they actually are driving it from clinics for healthcare and even pharmacy as pharma.
Pharmaceutical.
Well.
Yeah, big.
So the Azure comes into play where when we pull back log files, the customer wants to actually retain those log files for historical data, whether it be e-discovery, legal hold, GDPR, et cetera, for up to 7 years.
Yeah.
We encourage them to look at and transfer those files onto their Azure, thus driving Azure consumption as well.
So you, by sitting in front, you're able to bring those into your environment for up to a year.
Right.
But by having them there, they're then easily transportable into their own environment for long-term archival.
Right, that's the purpose of that. And so we can actually drive workload consumption, the targeted workloads that a customer wants to drive, and Microsoft wants to develop a customer and expand their capabilities.
Sure.
But we can actually drive Azure at the same time.
Very nice.
So
cool. So now if customers want to learn more about CoreView and the things that you guys do, how to get a hold of you, what should they do?
They can go to coreview.com.
Okay.
They can also, you can email me at cary.rheder, R-H-E-D-E-R, so C-A-R-Y .R-H-E-D-E-R at coreview.com.
And Cary's home phone number is So awesome. So take a look there. We'll have some links down below the video that you can take a look at. And I want to thank you.
Yeah,
it was
my
awesome.
Pleasure to
meet you.
Awesome
meeting. We ran into each other at lunch. It was
That's right.
Awesome. So thanks for joining me for Michael on the Go. With that, this is Michael and
Cary Rheder.
Bidding you have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.
Thank you.